So let's talk about grouping. So the reason why grouping is important is that moving things after placing it or designing it becomes easier. Thus, you don't need to select the whole object continuously in order to move it. Let's quickly look at the example. Quickly draw a face and then draw a rectangular pillar on it. Now, what you will notice is that selecting and then moving something becomes very difficult, and that is one of the reasons why grouping is so important. It makes sure that things are not messed up in your SketchUp model. In the upcoming lessons, we are going to talk more about it,